Chapter 8: Food and its nutrients. Key animals, nutrients in food, balanced diet, food preservation. The human body is made up of millions of cells. Our body needs a constant supply of food and nutrients to maintain health and promote the growth of cells. Food is a basic requirement for all living beings. Food provides us energy to perform daily actions and keeps us healthy and fit. Nutrients in food. The food we eat contains different components or substances which keep our body healthy and strong. The food we eat contains different components or substances which keep our body healthy and strong. The substances that make up our food and are necessary for our body to work properly are called nutrients. Nutrients are the basic building blocks of life. Knowledge nugget. What is the importance of food and its nutrients? Food and its nutrients provide us energy, repair damaged cells or parts, responsible for the growth and development, make our bones and muscles strong and fit against diseases to keep us healthy and fit. Food contains 5 main types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates and fats are energy-giving nutrients. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. Plant products like cereals, rice, potatoes, etc. are the good source of carbohydrates. People who do physical work need carbohydrates in rich amount to get energy. Carbohydrates are of 2 types: A. Sugar, B. Starch. Sugar is a simple carbohydrate. It is found in fruits, milk, and also in breakfast cereals. Starch is a complex carbohydrate. It is found in potatoes, rice, and pasta. Fats. Fats are the important source of calories. The main functions of fats is to store energy. It also keeps the body warm. It is found in food like snacks, pastries, or meals prepared in cooking oils, ghee, butter, etc. Eating too much fatty food leads to various diseases like obesity, cancer, heart disease, blood pressure, etc. Proteins. Mostly all the parts of our body are made up of proteins like hair, skin, blood, organs, and muscles. Protein is needed for cells' growth. It repairs damaged cells and worn-out tissues. It also helps produce enzyme for digestion of food and antibodies to fight against infections. Most of the animals' products such as fish, chicken, mutton, egg, milk, cheese, yogurt are rich in protein. Protein is body-building nutrients. Plants products such as rice, beans, peas, nuts, lentils, seeds, wheat, and corn are rich in proteins. Vitamins. Vitamins are needed for the normal growth and development of our body. They help our body fight against diseases, stay healthy, and also support many body functions. There are different types of vitamins. Each vitamin has its significant role. Some vitamins are synthesized in our body and some are obtained from plants and animals. Vitamins B and C are water-soluble and cannot be stored in body, so we need to obtain them from the diet. Vitamin A, D, E and K are fat-soluble and can easily be absorbed by the body. Functions of vitamins and their sources. Vitamin A is needed for healthy eyes. It keeps our skin smooth and plays a vital role in the formation of bones and tissues. Carrots, green vegetables, eggs yolk, milk, etc. are the good source of vitamin A. Vitamin B is an energy-giving vitamin. It keeps our heart and muscles stable. It builds new cells and tissues. Whole grains, legumes, nuts, eggs, milk, etc. are the good source of vitamin B. Vitamin C is needed to heal cuts, wounds, and burns. It protects our bones, teeth, and gums. Lemons, oranges, sprouts, broccoli, etc. are the good source of vitamin C. Vitamin D is needed for normal growth of our bones. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D. Vitamin E is needed for preventing and dissolving blood clots and preventing damage of cells. Vegetable oils, wheat, nuts, green vegetables, etc. are the good source of vitamin E. Vitamin K is needed for the proper growth of bones and blood coagulation. Green leafy vegetables, cheese, coffee and tea are the good source of vitamin K. Boost your brain. A lot of vitamins in fruit and vegetables are lost by heat, light and exposure to air before reaching your place. Vitamins and minerals are protective nutrients. Minerals, like vitamins, minerals also help our body to grow, develop and stay healthy. Our body uses minerals to perform many vital functions like building strong bones, teeth and healthy blood. There are different types of minerals and each has its significant role. Calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, iron, iodine, copper, etc. are some common minerals. Calcium and phosphorus makes our bones and teeth strong. Milk, curd, almond, etc. are the source of calcium and phosphorus. Iron is needed to form blood. Spinach, apple and green leafy vegetables are some rich sources of iron. Besides these types of nutrients, our food also contains A. Roughage or fiber, B. Water. Roughage is a fiber that is present in our food like leafy vegetables, salads and fresh fruits. Roughage does not produce energy but still it is important for our diet. Roughage is a part of food that cannot be digested. Water makes up 70% of our body weight. It is very important for our diet. It helps in absorption and digestion of food. It also helps in removing waste out of our body and performing many other body functions. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Knowledge nuggets. What is a complete food? Milk is called a complete food because it contains all the nutrients, protein, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates and fats. We should drink at least 2 glasses of milk every day. Boost your brain. Proteins contains carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen and sometimes sulfur. Balanced diet. A diet that contains adequate amount of nutrients which are needed for proper functioning of our body is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet is one which has carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fibers in adequate amount. Balanced diet is a source of energy and is also responsible for our growth and development. Food preservation. Sometimes food gives foul smell and taste. It means the food is got spoiled due to the growth of bacteria and fungi. This food is not good to eat. To stop the growth of bacteria and fungi, the food can be treated and stored for future use. The process of treating food to stop the growth of bacteria and fungi so that it preserves its value for a long time is called preservation. Boost your brain. Cooking in copper pots makes meal poorer in vitamin C, E and folic acid. We can preserve food by boiling, pickling, refrigerating, canning, gelling and drying. Key takeaways. Food is the basic requirement for all living beings. Food contains carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates and fats are the source of energy. Protein is bodybuilding nutrients. Vitamins and minerals are protective nutrients. A diet that contains adequate amount of nutrients for proper functioning of the body is called a balanced diet. We can preserve food by boiling, pickling, refrigerating, canning, gelling and drying.